Welcome back. Today I am painting a simple watercolor with just a minimal sketch, focusing on beautiful trees full of light and shadows. I'm using 140 pound 100% cotton paper, 12 by 9 inch. This isn't a full wet on wet sky. I'm just wetting the paper in a few spots. That way, when I paint the clouds, I get a mix of soft and crisp edges for a natural look. It's such a simple and effective way to paint the sky. I've premixed a few colors for the sky, starting at the top with a mix of cobalt blue and violet. I'm also using mixes like raw sienna with cobalt blue and raw sienna with light red. Then I move on with the first wash for the foliage and grasses using diluted mixes of green gold and Indian yellow with a touch of cobalt blue to soften the colors. Once the first wash is completely dry, I start painting the house, using darker colors for the shadowed areas and keeping the sunlit side light with yellow tones. For the tree on the horizon, I mixed ultramarine blue with a touch of light red, using mostly ultramarine so the color stays bluish and the trees feel distant. Now I'm painting the main trees. I have premixed a few colors, from light, vibrant greens to darker greens, plus some browns. I vary the consistency from dilute to thicker, so I can layer multiple colors at once, letting them blend with soft edges without getting those ugly cauliflowers or muddy mixes. Also, when painting trees with multiple colors at once, leaving a few spots unpainted really helps. The colors won't flow into these areas, so they act as natural boundaries, and you can use them to show little glimpses of sky through the branches. I continue painting the rest of the trees the same way. I painted the shadowed side of the tree trunks, leaving the other side white to make them look like birch trees. I am painting the cliff using a mix of yellows, greens, and browns. Yellows and light greens for the sunlit areas, and browns to show the exposed soil or muddy parts. Finally, I added a glaze with a light mix of Indian yellow and cadmium orange to capture the warm colors of the evening sunlight. Thank you for watching. Please share your thoughts in comments section.